ChatSonic is like most extensions utilizing ChatGPT, with one major exception. Instead of being limited to 2021 information, it integrates with Google Search to create content with the latest information. ChatSonic is specialized in the writing of a blog or social media posts and emails. I'm going to write an email to ask Elon Musk to hire me as the new CEO at X Corp. To begin, click on the ChatSonic icon. You can change the tone if you want. I'll leave it on professional, then click on Write. Then when it's done, just update the information, for example here, your name, and anything else that needs updated.